Hey guys, Alex here and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day and doing great. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a soft glam makeup look, like everyday wearable makeup look. So keep on watching. Well, though I have already moisturized my face, so we're gonna take this foundation from the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in the shade 238, and I'm gonna be squirting it on the backside of my hand like this. That's a lot. Well, I have a big face. Ew. And then we're gonna take this damp beauty blender, just come in a pony, maybe go get so yes, to apply it all over our face. You can also use a brush if you want to use a brush. Well, bitch, I don't have any foundation brush, so I'm not gonna use any brush. And if you're a nasty bitch like me, then you can also use your hand finger to apply it on your face. Well, it's a choice. Well, if you're taking your beauty blender, dip on the foundation, and then put it all over your face, like, and dip on your forehead, on your chin, on your ears, and
It feels like it's very well. That's why I'm being so aggressive right now, but no. This is how you beat your face.
also there's a little bit on my hand, and then I'm gonna apply it on our neck too, so that it matches our face. So after foundation, we're gonna take concealer. So I'm taking this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade 005, I guess. Applied underneath our eyes, like in here, and a little bit up in our nose, and in our most. I go. Gonna take a little bit more, cause it's a big face. And then apply it on our mustache area, on our forehead, and our chin. Yes. Keep it here safe and tight. And then after that, again, we're gonna take the same beauty blender and blend it on our face.
It's hot right now, like my face is melting. I don't know whether you guys can see or not. My face is melting. I do. Blam. Well, don't worry guys, everything is gonna come in two places, and if your face looks a little bit white, and it's okay, we're gonna fix it in a later. Like, we're gonna fix it in a second. So
Blend it perfectly. While blending your face, take time, guys. Take time. Don't be in a hurry, because you don't want any uneven blending. So blend it perfectly. After that, we're gonna shed our face, like the areas where we have put the concealer, with using a setting powder. Well, which I don't have now. So for that, I'm gonna be using this. Yes, this. A Pond's powder. Yes, I know I have to use a setting powder or a translucent powder, but I am using this 10 rupees cup Pond's powder. It's okay. It's okay. So we're gonna take our powder and then इसको थोड़ा अपने हाथ पे लेंगे ज़्यादा हो गया. It's okay. And then I'm gonna be taking a powder brush like this and then dip into it so as the excess go pick DGA and then set on that and apply it on the face like playing. And then a little bit of a chin. You're gonna apply the powder, like set the powder on the places where आपने कंसीलर पहले लगाया था उस जगह पे आप पहले सेट करेंगे इन द फोरहेड टू. सो अगर आप लोगों को पूरा फेस में भी अप्लाई करना है यू कैन डू इट लाइक दिस. So after setting your face, we're gonna be doing the eyebrows, and for that I'm gonna be taking this eye pencil, which you can easily get on the nearest beauty store. Well, for now, don't go outside. Don't go. This. And then take the mirror and apply it on your face, on your brow. सबसे पहले अपने outer brows की तरफ थोड़ा तिरछे करके लाइन बनाएंगे हम लोग. लाइन को जिस तरीके से and then नीचे बनाने के बाद ऊपर की तरफ भी थोड़ा थोड़ा करके लाइन बनाएंगे. And then after that we're gonna fill up the eyebrows. So the eyebrows are done, and after that we're gonna be contour our face. So for contouring I'm gonna be taking this contour palette like this. बहुत ज़्यादा use हो चुका है ये. And a contour brush and dip into this shade. Yes. Excess को tap कर दीजिए, and then also take your mirror and apply it on your cheekbone. Cheekbone मतलब यहाँ ये यहाँ पे तुम्हारा आप लोगों का ये हड्डी निकलता है फेस पे यहाँ पे. And then apply like here with using this motion like that. And yes, I like that. It's like two. And also underneath our chin. And after that on your forehead too. And for nose contour, I'm gonna be taking this small brush and apply it on our nose. Ooh. After that, it's time for eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm taking this e.l.f. eyeshadow, little chukum. And then, oh, where's the eyeshadow brush? And then I'm gonna be taking a fluffy brush like this, and I'm gonna be dipping into which shade? Well, shade सिर्फ 4 है, इतना ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं. I'm taking this shade. Ooh. And then applied right on the crease.
And then I'll do lip too. Then I'm lip में भी मैं blend कर रहा हूँ. And then after that,
And I'm gonna be taking this shade, the same exact brush, yes. And then excess को tap कर दीजिए, and then I'm gonna be applying right on the lid, right here. And also on your crease, ताकि आपका crease थोड़ा सा darken हो जाए. Yes. So this, and then उसके बाद वही सेम एग्जैक्ट शेड, ये वाला शेड दोनों को मिला के देन उसको हम अंदर आई पे भी अप्लाई करेंगे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके.
oh my god.
एंड उसके बाद हम लेंगे वही काजल, एंड देन उसको हम लोग अपने वाटर लाइन पर अप्लाई कर लेंगे. Yeah. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके. Yeah. You can see it. एंड देन उसके बाद थोड़ा सा ये वाला शेड एंड उसको थोड़ा बब कर देंगे, ब्लेंड कर देंगे काजल के साथ थोड़ा थोड़ा. So guys, so this is the eye look all complete. Soft वाला थोड़ा सा smoked and soft वाला eye look complete हो गया. And then उसके बाद आता है लिप्स. तो फुल लिप मैंने अपना लिप्स में कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है, जस्ट आई हैव यूज अ बेबी लिप्स लिप बाम, मैंने बस वही लगाया है. तो अगर आप लोग लगाना चाहते हो, आप लोग रेड या कुछ भी लिपस्टिक आप लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हो. वेल आई डोंट हैव अ लिपस्टिक राइट नाउ, सो आई एम नॉट गोना बी वेयरिंग एनी लिपस्टिक. सो एंड देन आफ्टर दैट यू कैन आफ्टर दैट इट्स हाईलाइट. तो हाईलाइट के लिए मेरे पास हाईलाइट का हाईलाइटर पैलेट नहीं है. तो फॉर हाईलाइट आई एम गोना बी टेकिंग दिस स्विस ब्यूटी पैलेट, एंड देन आई एम गोना बी टेकिंग दिस white shimmery shade as a highlight and apply it on the cheekbone. I don't know whether you guys can see it or not. Well, it's so good. And कुछ यहाँ it's mirror. थोड़ा सा यहाँ, then थोड़ा सा हमारे नोज पे यहाँ पे. Oh my god, you can see. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे, and then थोड़ा सा यहाँ and यहाँ. Okay, and then a little bit on here, and a little bit on here. So that आपका फेस ऐसा लगेगा जैसे कि आप शाइनिंग शिमरी वेट लुक आपका. हमारा आई हो गया, फेस तो सब कुछ हो गया. एंड देन उसके बाद सबसे लास्ट पे हमें अपना फेस को सेट करना मत भूलिएगा, सो दैट कि आपका सारा मेकअप अच्छी तरीके से सेट होके एक जगह पे रहे, ताकि गर्मी या तो पसीने में आपका फेस का जो ये सब क्रिएशन है ना, वो सब क्या कहते हैं, गिर ना जाए एंड देन मेस्टअप होना हो जाए. तो इसलिए अपना फेस को सेट कर लीजिए. Fainted, set your face. La 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 la. Guys, dude, this is the final look, all complete, the everyday wearable soft glam makeup look. I hope कि आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. And then if you guys enjoyed this video, then please like the video, share it with your friends, and also comment से बताइए कि आप लोगों को कैसा लगा. And then subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.